How to enter a referral code on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually enter a referral code using Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually enter a referral code using Cash App, all you have to do is open up Cash App. Now let's say someone gave you a specific code whenever you want to open up a new account, because you get some kind of invite your friends and you get some type of bonuses as well. And now you want to enter the referral code. Well, in that case, what you have to do is after you launch Cash App, you will see this type of interface, obviously, where you have to just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right, you just need to scroll down to the bottom until you find a section above the sign out button that says you to enter referral code. And that's basically it. That is where we can find and enter our referral code. We just need to just tap the enter referral code button, paste the referral code that your friend has sent you. Once you paste the referral code, tap on the next button. Both of you are going to get $5 bonuses as a start, and then you should be able to just redeem all these referral codes. And this is simply how you can enter a referral code using Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.